Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I'm sharing with you two brief clips taken from a long video, 66 minutes video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers. You may want to see the setups that I discuss in this video because they could prepare you for some interesting move that might evolve during the coming week. And you could just try out my service that would give you access to this video. You could pay with PayPal. If you wish further information about my service, please stay on after the clip's end. I'll be talking to you again. Other than that, I wish you have pleasant viewing and have good trading. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. A violent reversal yesterday after the announcement by the European Union of support to the banking system. I'll be examining quite a few charts here in detail to see whether this reversal has long lease of life or a short lease of life. Here are the charts that I've got in this video. I've got the dollar index, the euro US dollar, British pound US dollar Canadian dollar, Australian dollar US dollar Japanese yen, gold, silver, high grade copper, the euro bond, USD bond, light crude, Brent crude, the Dow, the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, the EU Stocks 50, very important chart, in fact the clearest chart in this video, the CAC 40 of France, the DAX, MIB of Italy, IBEX 35 of Spain, and I'll terminate the video with a look at the Chinese Securities Index. Okay, we'll have a look at the US dollar Japanese yen 240 minutes. And this one, with all the jumps that we have seen in the violent jumps in some cases in the other markets, this one was fairly low key here, and the pattern that I've been using in the last several weeks is unchanged. No reason to change anything here. This is still looking like an ABC, that's an A, that's a B, and this is still looking like a 1-2. When you go to the 60 minutes, do you see? I really don't see any reason to change anything here. That is looking still like a 1, ABC, A, B, C. What's the problem? I don't see any problem here. Look at the line chart. That's an A, that's a B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 could be over. I will be forced by the market to change the wave count here if it rallies towards this line. Yes, then we will have to change it. This could happen, but right now that looks to be on target. That of course could be also an A, that's B, and it will go down in the big C. Either way, it appears to me that the next big move in the US dollar Japanese yen is down. Okay, that's high grade copper. Massive day in copper. I was kicked out my position in copper, but I'll be back. I'm watching it carefully. I have not switched to a bull concerning copper. I still think that the bear market is alive and well in the stock market, and what we are seeing now is a violent C, basically fueled by outright intervention, and we all know what interventions are worth. There is the flash in the pan for a few days, big headlines, and that's it. And the money is lost afterwards with continuing with the main trend. So I don't see any point at this juncture to abandon the bearish case concerning copper. This is still looking like a possible 1, 2, 3, and that could work out as a fourth wave. But you know, you don't want to fight the market. You never want to do that. If the market happens to be strong for whatever reason, you just step aside. You take your loss, whatever it is. You decide on your point of exit, but you've got to get out, and you don't drag it, because the more you drag it, you damage yourself financially and psychologically. You have to have a certain amount of decisiveness to survive in this business. That's 1, 2, 3. That could still work out as a fourth wave. A, B, C coming down a bit and then going up again. That will complete the triangle. Running above this level, the zone here, it's a new game. It's a different thing. Something else is going on. You have to allow the market some time. At least I would allow the market some time to give me more data to try to assess what's going on here. So that's my thought right now concerning copper. Hello again. I'll be running through here, presenting you with some of the features of my website, and I do have a page on Twitter. You're welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but it's a way of keeping in touch. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. I have written a few articles. You may like to take a look at them. I have here a testimonial from an active trader who's using my website right here on the front page. There are a few tabs here on the side that if you like, I threw in some of their philosophy and the motives behind setting up this website. I have here a section, what subscribers say, speaks for itself. I have an affiliate program. You don't have to be subscribed to join. If you're interested to get in touch with me, links to sample clips, that takes you to past clips. I often try to update it every weekend. Gives you a sample of things that I've done in the past and in the recent past as well. And R.N. Elliott, that gives you access to a book, very, very interesting book if you are about practice and about getting things going deeper into learning about the Elliott waves principle. Go there and you will see a link to how to download a full-length book that I really recommend you read. Private policy, terms of use, very standard. Why join? I spell out some of the arguments that I think can clarify how I can help, who I can help, etc. Subscribe here. I'll just go through this quickly. I basically have three options that you can choose from. The full product that is very intensive, directed at people who are using and following the markets every day, costs €79 only for a month. I record every day, also on the weekend. My videos are very detailed, they're very helpful, really following all the markets, the major markets, and I can even follow markets that are of interest to you. If I have time, I will add them. I can't promise I'll do that on a daily basis, but I will definitely take a look if there is a specific market or situation that is of interest to you. Other than that, there is the option of the weekend video. Weekend video costs from 25. You can see it's available. The weekend videos are available from 25 per month. If you pay up front, it costs 25. Pay up front for 6 months or so, it will cost you only 25. If you pay per month, it's 29. And that is really covering only the weekend videos. Yeah, it is aimed at people who do not have time to watch intensively the market during the week, but nevertheless would like to have a comprehensive view of what happened and what is likely to happen. And I do cover the markets. I do a comprehensive video every weekend that gives a very good preparation for the coming week. And apart from that, of course, I've got the trial. Yes, as advertised on the front page. We'll see it again in a minute. You can just try out the service for $9.99. That gives you access to the daily videos, but just for 1 week. Okay, so you get access. You see 7 videos. You can check the archive. I normally leave about 1 month worth of videos on the archive, so you can check out the kind of things that I did in the past. You can pay for the service with PayPal. It's pretty straightforward. You go on the create account. I'll show you in a sec. If you have an account with PayPal, that should be no problem. I had an account with AlertPay. I still have it. If you happen to have an account with AlertPay, they actually changed their name, and I didn't have time to reflect it here. I think it's called Payza now. You can go ahead and try to pay with that. If that causes you any problem, if you have a problem, maybe the plugin needs modification, just get in touch with me. Other than that, I also have Money Bookers. If you have an account with Money Bookers, I would welcome you paying through Money Bookers. That should also not be a problem. If you don't have an account, it's also a good option. It gives access to a lot of to people from a lot of countries. Also Payza, AlertPay used to be AlertPay, yes. Payza now extended its coverage. It is accessing many countries, so that's something for you to consider. Let's go back to the home page, and I'll just continue to run down through here. We've got Contact Us, speaks for itself. Tell a friend, why don't you give me a helping hand? If you like my service, I mean, if you like the videos, the clips, why don't you spread the word? Give me a hand. Downloads. That's where you can download charts that I put in the public area, and you can download as many as you want. That will give you an idea how detailed my work is, and what sort of which way we are going with my chart. Recommended reading list, highly recommended. Really take a look. There are some links there to books that you can download, and I think you will find quite good stuff here. Frequently asked questions. Make sure you read this before you subscribe, because that will explain to you how to find the videos once you create an account, how to log in, etc. And then useful links, speaks for itself. Blank page, inconsequential, and that's where you open the account. You see, you just right here, create an account. In fact, that's the login. Once you get your login details, here it comes up with the sign up. You've got your Elliott Wave Practitioner. That's the weekend edition. You can have 6 months. Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition, that's a yearly subscription. And then Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition paid monthly. Okay, you make your choice. The prices are indicated here. Then Elliott Wave Practitioner, that's per month. Yes, every month. And that is the trial. You are allowed to take it once. It is not something you're going to take on and off all the time. You just take it once. You sample, you see, try it out. You like it, don't like it, whatever. PayPal, Money Bookers, Alert Pay. Choose which one suits you, and the rest is pretty straightforward. You go through that. You wait for you wait for the email from my system. You make sure you follow the instructions. I jump back to the page here to subscribe here, because there are a few email addresses that you are advised to look. This, for example, go through that. You need to whitelist that. Yes, you don't want to wait for my email from the system and it gets stuck in your junk mail, or it disappears, or because you didn't whitelist these addresses, you won't find it, and then you start with the left foot. So you whitelist these two addresses, you'll be on the right track. You get the email for my system. You verify your email address like this. You are sure you join my list, and that's how I keep in touch with you. Whenever I record a new video, I send you the link and I tell you I've just posted it, etc. Look, if you have any question on your mind, whatever, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help. I'm pretty sure my service can help you immensely to make a lot of progress, no matter which level you are. I've been doing it for many years, and I've seen a lot of things. I've also experienced a lot of things in my own trading, and that's all. So I hope you enjoy the experience, and look forward to hear from you. Bye now.